We are pleased to show you the 2014 LEAF. The Nissan LEAF, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front rear splash guards. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.